Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Integromat connection errors to HubSpot CRM step by step. Open your browser and navigate to the Integromat website. Log in to your Integromat account. Once logged in, locate the scenario that connects to HubSpot CRM. Click on the scenario to open the configuration settings. Check for any error notifications that may indicate a connection issue. If you see an error, click on the Error tab for more details. Review the specific message regarding the HubSpot connection. Identify if the issue is related to authentication or data flow. Next, navigate to your HubSpot account in a new tab. Log into your HubSpot account using your credentials. Once logged in, go to the Settings section. In the Settings, find the Integrations section. Click on API key or private apps depending on your authentication method. If using an API key, ensure it is active and properly copied. If using a private app, make sure it has the right permissions enabled. Return to Integromat and click on the HubSpot module in your scenario. Choose Reconnect or Reauthorize to refresh the connection. Follow the prompts to input your HubSpot credentials again. Once reconnected, check to see if the error persists. If the error remains, review the data being sent from Integromat to HubSpot. Ensure that all required fields in HubSpot are being populated correctly. You may need to edit your scenario in Integromat to include missing data. After making any necessary changes, click on Save in your Integromat scenario. Run the scenario to test the updated connection. Check the scenario execution history to confirm that the connection is now working. If successful, your connection error to HubSpot CRM should now be resolved. Monitor the integration regularly for any future issues. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.